So this is a 1915. It's a Caille Neptune, except at the end of production for Hiawathas, the Caille Neptune got the Bakelite ring installed on the flywheel, and the telling factor on this motor is the Bakelite ring. It shows that this actually was not sold as a Caille Neptune; it was sold as a Hiawatha. So the gentleman that I bought it from had repainted it, and he said it had an Indian name on it, but he couldn't remember what it was. And then through Arlen Carter's research, doing his book, we found ads for Hiawathas that showed the Bakelite ring, which put that all together. That's what the gentleman that had it couldn't remember. It was the Hiawatha name. So what this is a 1915 Caille Built Hiawatha.
Okay. And you got this running quite a few years back?
So I bought the motor probably when I was a teenager, and it was owned by a guy that was part of a power squadron in Indiana. It was in Anderson, Indiana. And that gentleman was mechanically inclined, and he had it where it would run. So, a rowboat motor, there's not a whole lot to them. As long as the timer and the flywheel will operate the points, you can ground it anywhere, and the points complete the circuit. So you just hook a wire to the spark plug, and a wire to ground, and another wire to the points on the timer. The points open and close the circuit. That's what makes the coil buzz. So as long as a rowboat motor will make a buzz coil buzz and it's timed properly, it's going to run.
All right.
So
you're running this off of buzz coil there?
It's actually turned on.
Okay. Go and start it up then.
Without closing the points, it can sit here all day and it won't drain the battery because the circuit's open. So it can sit here and it doesn't hurt a thing.
Yeah.
If the circuit was closed, it would be buzzing the whole time.
Yeah, you would hear it.
Yeah. So anyway, I think this thing should just take right off. It does have an exhaust cutout. Makes it a little louder. So again, let's look at how easy this is to start. All you do is pull it through compression, fires, and runs right out of your hand. One more time, it just runs right out of your hand. It's showing off. So the drip out of the front of the cylinder is not normal. It has a freeze plug in the bottom of the cylinder. It's got a hole in it, and it's leaking. So that's what you're seeing there. It normally wouldn't do that. Normally, it'd be sealed up. All the water comes out the muffler.